guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought as part of my daily videos we would do a wardrobe decluttering, kind of a bit of a wardrobe changeover, things like that. I've mostly got my spring things out now, still some more wintry things. I've got a bag of my summer dresses over there, so I want to just sort of switch things over a little bit. So we're going to have a bit of a clear out, vacuum pack some things away. I'm not the neatest and most tidied and organised person in the world, so please bear with me. But I don't know, it'll be quite fun going through and sorting things out. Also, another reason is because Jimmy should be coming over here fairly soon. I'm not really sure how long, I don't really know what's going to happen. It's a bit of a complicated story. I'm not going to go into it, but I need to clear out a bit of room somewhere in this house and in my wardrobe and everything for him and his clothes. So we'll see how I get on. So first of all, I'm going to start where some of my dresses are. Now some of these dresses are just way more like wintry dresses. So, oops, there goes that cardboard box. This dress, for example, is amazing. It's from Sister Jane. It's so beautiful and really heavy, but not a summer dress. So I'm gonna start putting some things in a pile. I'm gonna put what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take all of these out. They're all last year's summer dresses, and then I'm gonna start putting winter ones in. So I'm gonna put all my winter dresses into this bag, and then whatever other dresses I don't keep out, I'm going to put them in there as well. I'm going to start a separate pile as well for things that I'm going to sell. If you don't know already, I sell all my clothes on a website called eBloggers. They come and collect everything. I don't do Depop. Not for me, I can't. This is a dress from Revolve. It's really, really, really beautiful. It's a little bit big for me. I've never even worn it, so I'm really sad, but I'm going to have to get rid of that. This is definitely more winter. Not sure if I love this one. This dress is from Faithful the brand, but I don't know how like great it looks on me. I'm not sure if it's like super flattering. Now this dress is gorgeous. It's in one of my favorite leopard prints, but it just doesn't close over my boobs enough, so that one is gonna go to be sold as well. Oh, this dress from Reformation, I've never wore it and it's got the tag on, but I think I'm gonna have to sell it. This is a dress by the Couples. I really, really do love this dress, but I've said so many times, I'm quite a sweaty person. I wrote a whole blog post about like suffering with hyperhidrosis, which is excessive sweating, and how like every treatment I've ever tried hasn't worked for me. So this is just not a very good dress to wear if you're really sweaty like me. This dress is a complete copy of the Zimmermann dress, which is a bit sneaky really, but it's so, so beautiful. But once again, more of a kind of wintry, no, you know what, I love it, I don't want to get rid of it, but I'm just going to think it'd be best to kind of put her away for now. This dress definitely gets to stay. It's a Faithful the brand dress, and I wore this last year a lot, so she's staying in the spring summer 2020 collection. So okay, hang us on there. Well done. This is one of my favorite little dresses to just throw on. It now comes in red. It's from Reformation, so I think I sized down in this quite a bit. I got a size 2, which is a UK 6. I'm between like a 2 and a 6. Yeah, I'm between a size US 2 and 4 in Reformation usually, so it kind of depends what it is. But I find this fabric, I already had a matching top and bottom, like trouser set in this print, and it just really like gives a lot, so I knew that I probably would have to size down. This dress, I don't know why I've kept hold of it for so long. I've never ever worn it. I think I tried to, and then I was like, no, I'm just changing it. It's just a nice black zip dress, but I just don't love it. It's from Topshop, so she's going in the sale bin. Oh, my rat and boa dress. Oh, so beautiful. So I love this dress, so she's gonna stay here. Nasty Girl one, never been worn before, but once again, I just don't think I'm gonna wear it. Mostly because I've got this dress from the Reformation, which is sort of similar but not really, and it's just one of my favorites. It's so beautiful, so yeah. This dress was another dress which I really love, but once again, I'm just not sure I'm going to get the wear out of it. It was a really nice sort of autumny dress, so I'm going to pop that away for e-bloggers. This one is like totally always a favourite, but she comes out every single winter, so she's going away. Sorry, I'm referring to my dresses as like she's. I want to show you these two dresses. These are both linen dresses from Verge Girl. They're so gorgeous. Okay, now we're getting rid of some blouses. No, we can leave these out. They're my slip skirts. I've got one from Reformation and one from Realization Par. This just makes me sweat loads. This I just won't wear again, so that's going to be sold. Okay, they're all like my band tees. These are a couple colourful tees that I just don't think I'll wear anymore, so they're going to be sold. This is a beautiful top from Reformation. I haven't worn it as much as I should have done, and I'm really annoyed about that, so I'm going to keep her out and try a bit more. Then these are a couple of tops from Revolve. So this black one is just too big for me. It's really pretty though. And then this top is incredible quality. This would have been amazing on summer holiday or a festival, but I'm not going to be able to wear it for either of them realistically. And also it's insanely low cut, and it just like makes my boobs look like no. So that's a no from me. And then that really cute little top from Zara which is new-ish, it's gonna stay. So we've cleared out like loads of space. Jimmy would be proud. So now I'm gonna tackle the pile of dresses on the floor. I need to be brutal here. I need to get rid of things. I'm not getting rid of that, that's too cute. Oh, this is so difficult. So this one was from the Alexa Chung collection for Marks and Spencer's. So that's kind of like an old school one, but really cute, but also not really my style at the minute, but I love it so much I know that I'll wear it again in the future. So this dress, oh my god, it's so cute. This is from Revolve. Once again, I definitely want to keep this dress because it's so pretty, but I don't know if I'm going to wear it anytime soon, so I think I'm going to fold it up and put it in the bag for if I feel like wearing it. Is that mouse poo again? I think the mouse has been back in here. So this was the dress that I met the night that I met Jimmy. So it kind of has like sentimental value. So this one's definitely gonna stay out and go into the pile. I'm gonna hang that up. I'll put that into the hang up pile. Oh, this dress is a Reformation baby. She's real pretty, and I just find it really hard to get rid of Reformation dresses because, you know what, seasons kind of come and go, and I might not necessarily like love a dress like this season. Like this might not be what I want to wear this season round, but I definitely will wear it again. This is a really pretty dress from Revolve as well, but it's a really good quality. It's from Super Down, but I'm gonna sell it because I've got quite a few similar things. This is another sisterhood dress, which is gorgeous, but I've got two spotty dresses and I prefer the other one, so this one's going in. So this is a dress from Reformation, and this is a skirt from Verge Girl. Look at the print. It's literally the same, but the fabric is so different. So I've ordered bits and pieces for that wardrobe on IKEA. It's not going to arrive for a while. Also, yes, I have put on my joggers. Those jeans are just, look, it's a Friday night and I want to be comfy. So, also one thing that annoys me about this wardrobe, my own fault, but this are all like tops, and they should be here and the bottom should be down here. Like it needs redoing, but I probably need Jimmy to look at it when he's here. Like I probably could work it out myself, but I don't want to risk it. It's a bit like high. So all these tops I've been through quite recently. and I really like them and I'm keeping them. As for these are some denim skirts, and I'm not really like a huge denim skirt wearer anymore, so I'm gonna move these onto the other. Decluttered, I'm gonna go and reorganize. I'm about to embark on doing like the bit that I'm least looking forward to, and it's that cupboard. Let's start with swimwear at the bottom, shall we? Oh, this goes that far. We have sorted out swimwear. I put it all into a packing cube and I will slot it under there, but first let's tackle the drawer full of black things. So I'm going to try and hang more of these tops up because I always forget that happened because they're just sort of like shoved in here. So yeah. Tops are all cleared out quite nicely now. Okay, here we go. Okay, well first of all, this is a skirt. Some really nice whistles things as well. Like, this is a really nice whistles top that I haven't really worn very much at all, so she's getting it. Alright, white tops are done. Okay, now we're in this wardrobe where it's mostly blazers and some jumpers. I think I'm going to vacuum pack them. Oh my god, I've never so effectively vacuum packed anything in my whole life. Like last time I did this, it didn't really work, and this was really creeping me out because it reminds me of... Like, I'm not fetish or kink shaming, but people who have got like fetishes of like being like vacuum packed, it just makes me think of that. Oh my god, this seems like so long. I'm gonna kick out some blazers as well. This is a really nice ASOS one, but I haven't worn it in like 2 years. This is a gorgeous blazer from And Other Stories, but I have other ones that I way prefer. Get in the chop. This tan cord one, I mean beige cord one as well, is lovely. It's from H&M. So nice. I should really try these things. I want to show you. But it's lovely. But I just have similar ones that I'd probably wear more often. God, okay, we're gonna do all my coats. I'm gonna get rid of some of my winter ones. Not get rid, but set away. This is my bedroom wardrobe that I don't really use very much. There's loads of jeans in here. Get rid of some things in here, hey? Blazer. Over it. Another jacket. Let's check and make sure there's no money in here. Keeping this dress forever because it's like one of my like retro faves. Oh god, I've had this jumpsuit for nearly 10 years, I think. I love it, and it's just, this is something I will always keep. Okay, it makes perfect sense that these wardrobes are, this is like my winter wardrobe, and I put all those coats that I have no place for in here. Okie dokie, so we're just putting things back over. And here, this is the best bit, and then I'm gonna put everything up, hang everything up, and then we sort of assess organisation. Okay, we are getting more into the organisation of things. I think I'm keeping like little racer vests, cute crop tops and skirts and shorts at the top. And then I'm gonna have some of my newer spring blazers down the bottom with like sweaters, like not knitted ones, more like lightweight spring sweaters. Then like more longer length t-shirts and shirts and that kind of thing. And then this will just be dresses and like cute two pieces. And these t-shirts are my favorite. So I've got them, these are just all like Topshop basics and they're really simple. I have like 3 white ones on rotation. Having them hanging up really helps me because when I just put them in that drawer, I forget I have them and then I don't wear them, and they're just really simple things that everyone needs, so. Hey guys, it's starting to get quite dark now, so I'm pretty much done, but I just figured I'll show you in the morning when it looks a little bit better. My bottom, sorry, my bottom lip looked just bigger than I remember. I'm like, have I had an allergic reaction? It does look bigger though, doesn't it? I'm not complaining. Anyway, just wanted to show you in the daylight what things look like now. I mean, it's not perfect, but like I said, Jimmy's coming here soon. And we're probably gonna have a rejig of things. So it was more about decluttering, putting a bit more organization in. So let me show you. So here is my current selection of sort of like, hello birds, I can hear you. This is my current selection of sort of like summery dresses that I am keeping on hand here. So we have all of them there and like little two pieces, things like that. This is a big thing full of socks. Yes, I have a pair of socks that say slut on them. These are just a bag full of sunglasses. So down here, I've kind of kept my t-shirts going into band tees, going into shirts, into long sleeves, into sweaters, into blazers and suits. Up here, I've got my mini skirts. And here is probably like the most annoyingly messy bit. I just need to sort of get all the same hangers on here and I think it'll look better. But these are all my little tops. Like I said before, it just helps having them all up in like one place where I can see them instead of shoving them away. I left this bit to its own devices because I cleared it out not too long ago. So these are all my favorite pairs of jeans. My big Chanel bag, which I never wear anymore because I never have anywhere to go. These are my trousers, so like just non-jeans, and then up there are my Louis Vuitton shoes. It's looking more healthy with my sort of like occasion wear dresses. And then these are a lot clearer. In here, look at all this space. Jimmy has got this whole nearly a half of a wardrobe for all of his things. I purposely left that because that's basically full of just bed sheets and that's just full of sort of like summery trainers and some hair things. I'm just going to leave them until the new bits from IKEA come. And here the winter coats are all sorted. At the bottom is just a couple pairs of winter shoes. This side, all my other denim is here. Some loungewear in here, some hair accessories and just other accessories here. And then this is where I've shoved pretty much most of my vacuum packed winter wardrobe. Yeah, these are all my more springtime jackets and coats. So they're all here and a lot less crowded. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my wardrobe clear out. I hope it wasn't too boring. And I know it could be better, but it is what it is. Anyway, make sure if you're interested in any of the clothes that I gave away 2 big bags of clothes. They got collected this morning to e-bloggers. Please make sure you check out, I put the link below so you can kind of give these clothes a second home. I always give clothes to charity. I always try and sell them first or give them to charity or my friends. So I always want to make sure that my clothes go to a nice second home. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll be back soon. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Bye guys. Waste all your breath,